Yeah, here is question number 3. See the function f of x equal to 4x cube plus 6x plus k, where k is a constant. So x plus 2 is a factor of f of x. Find the remainder when f of x is divided by x minus 5. So we are using x plus 2 factor, then we need to find the k value. Then we'll use x minus 5, so we'll find the remainder. So first part. The function is f of x equal to 4x cube plus 6x plus k. So it's given x plus 2 is a factor. So x plus 2 is a factor. So we'll plug in. So we'll use the remainder theorem. So f of minus 2, because x plus 2 will take the opposite sign. So which is 4 of negative 2 cube plus 6 into negative 2 plus k, which is equal to 4 times negative 8 minus 12 plus k, which is equal to 0 here, because x plus 2 is a factor, so there is no remainder. So 0 equal to negative 32 negative 12 plus k, which is equal to negative 44 plus k. So k equal to 44. So we found k. So k value, we just plug in the given function, which is f of x equal to 4x cube plus 6x plus 44. Now is given like find the remainder when f of x is divided by x minus 5. So x minus 5 will divide this. So again we'll use the factor theorem. So we have to put f of 5, which is 4 of 5 cube plus 6 into 5 plus 44, which is equal to 4 into 125 plus 30 plus 44. So the final answer going to be 574. 574 is the remainder when we divided by x minus 5. So the first part is over. Now we have to go for the second part. Second part of the question, find the remainder and the quotient when this is the function 6x cube minus 15x square minus 21x plus 8. So we divided by 2x plus 3. So we'll use the long division method. So we'll find only the remainder, so we can use the remainder theorem. Now find the remainder and quotient, we have to go for long division method, which is the function is 6x cube minus 15x square minus 21x plus 8. So divided by 2x plus 3. So we'll write 6x cube minus 15x square minus 21x plus 8. So when we long division method, so 2x plus 3. Always we have to divide first term and the first term. So 6x cube divided by this first term and here first term, which is 2x. So we'll get 3x square. So that will be our first part, 3x square, then 3x square times the entire part, 2x plus 3. So 3 times 2x, 6x cube, 3x square plus 3, which is times 3, which is 9x square. So we have to subtract. Now subtraction time, this will be 0. So minus 15 minus 9, which is minus 24x square minus 21x. So again we have to divide the first part, 24x square over 2x, which is negative 12x. So we'll write negative 12x. So again we have to multiply negative 12 times 2, negative 24x square, and negative 12 times 3 is negative 36x. So again we have to subtraction now. This becomes 0. So 21 plus 36x, which is 15x. So now we need to bring the last part. So again first term 15x divided by 2x, which is 15 by 2. So we'll write here is a 15 divided by 2. Now multiply. So the first part 15x, the second part 15 by 2 times 3, which is going to be 45 by 2. So plus 45 over 2. So again subtraction, this will be cancelled. So now it's minus 45 by 2 minus 8. So minus 45 minus 16 over 2, which is so minus 45 plus 8, sorry, it's a plus 8. So it's going to be minus 29 over 2. So we'll get minus 29 over 2. So that's the final answer. So quotient is going to be quotient of x, which is 3x square minus 12x plus 15 over 2, and the remainder is going to be minus 29. We can leave the answer as a fraction or decimal, anyway anything is correct.